5 years tomorrow since the Toledo water crisis, when about 500,000 people couldn't drink the water. An algal bloom has returned each year since, and as Amanda Fay reports, a Perrysburg teacher got a pretty clear picture of the health of Lake Erie.
We were given some charts of the lake.
Amy Boris is getting ready to start a new school year at Hull Prairie Intermediate in Perrysburg. This year, the science teacher has some new material after having taken a big trip on Lake Erie.
I was on a research vessel with the EPA on Lake Erie for an entire week.
Boris says the trip focused on 3 areas: algae, plastics, and zooplankton, which are microscopic organisms.
We were sampling water 24 hours a day. I was on a late shift at 2 a.m. pulling water up, and then we would take it into the lab.
Boris was on the ship with 15 other teachers and 4 scientists. She focused on plastics in the water, but it was the water crisis of 2014 that inspired her to apply for the program.
I've been talking with my students for the past 5 years, even before that, about the state of Lake Erie and that it's right here.
Boris says she's excited to be able to share with her students what she learned on the ship, that there is a ton of plastic in the water that fish eat.
Yeah, and as it sits in the sun, it breaks down and chemicals are given off into your water.
She also learned the Detroit River is helping to force algal blooms into our area.
I think I'm going to frame my whole year actually around the lake and how it's all tied in, how our farming practices here in Wood County, how our little native urban prairie that we have here can help protect the waterways, how we as informed citizens can help protect the waterways as well. And I want them to be good stewards of the earth.
Boris says the other thing she learned is that science takes a long time, and in turn, restoring Lake Erie's health is going to take time and collaboration as well.
Right in here, just completely green. Looks like paint.
Reporting in Perrysburg, Amanda Fay, WTOL 11.
We want you to know that Toledo's drinking water is safe. Here's a live look at the City of Toledo's water quality dashboard. If it ever changes, we'll alert you right away on air, online, and with an alert to your phone.